Hare Krishna. Nectar of Instruction, Text 9. वैकुण्ठाजनितो वरामधुपुरी तत्रापि रासोत्सवात् वृन्दारण्यमुदारपाणिरमणात् तत्रापि गोवर्धनः राधाकुण्डमिहापि गोकुलपते प्रेमामृताप्लावनात् कुर्यादस्य विराजतो गिरितटे सेवां विवेकीनकः. Vaikunthat. Than Vaikuntha, the spiritual world. Janitaha, because of birth. Vara, better. Madhupuri, the transcendental city known as Mathura. Tatra api, superior to that. Rasa Utsavat, because of the performance of the Rasa Leela. Vrindaranyam, the forest of Vrindavana. Udarapani, of Lord Krishna. Ramanath, because of various kinds of loving pastimes. Tatra api, superior to that. Govardhanaha, Govardhana hill. Radha Kundam, a place called Radha Kunda. Iha api, superior to this. Gokula Patehe, of Krishna, the master of Gokula. The Prema Amrita, with the nectar of divine love. Aplavanatnath, because of being overflooded. Kuryat, would do, asya, of this Radha Kunda. Virajataha, situated. Giritate, at the foot of Govardhana hill. Sevam, service. Viveki, who is intelligent. Na, not. Kaha, who. Translation and purport by His Divine Grace, Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. The holy place known as Mathura is spiritually superior to Vaikuntha, the transcendental world, because the Lord appeared there. Superior to Mathurapuri is the transcendental forest of Vrindavana because of Krishna's Rasa Leela pastimes. And superior to the forest of Vrindavana is Govardhana hill, for it was raised by the divine hand of Sri Krishna and was the site of his various loving pastimes. And above all, the superior excellent Sri Radha Kunda stands supreme, for it is overflooded with the ambrosial nectarian prema of the Lord of Gokula, Sri Krishna. Where then is that intelligent person who is unwilling to serve this divine Radha Kunda, which is situated at the foot of Govardhana hill? Purport. The spiritual world is 3/4 of the total creation of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and it is the most exalted region. The spiritual world is naturally superior to the material world. However, Mathura and adjoining areas, although appearing in the material world, are considered superior to the spiritual world because the Supreme Personality of Godhead Himself appeared at Mathura. The interior forests of Vrindavana are considered superior to Mathura because of the presence of the 12 forests, Dwadashavana, such as Talavana, Madhuvana, Bahulavana, which are famous for the various pastimes of the Lord. But superior to these forests is the divine Govardhana hill because Krishna lifted it like an umbrella, raising it with his beautiful lotus-like hand to protect his associates, the denizens of Vraja, from the torrential rain sent by angry Indra, the king of demigods. It is also at Govardhana hill that Krishna tended the cows with his cowherd friends, and there also he had his rendezvous with his most beloved Sri Radha and engaged in loving pastimes with her. Radha Kunda at the foot of Govardhana is superior to all because it is there that love of Krishna overflows. Advanced devotees prefer to reside at Radha Kunda because this place is the site of many memories of the eternal loving affairs between Krishna and Radharani. Rati Vilasa. In the Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Leela chapter 18, it is stated that when Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu first visited the area of Vrajabhumi, he could not at first find the location of Radha Kunda. This means that Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was actually searching for the exact location of Radha Kunda. Finally, he found the spot, and there was a small pond there. He took his bath in that small pond and told his devotees that the actual Radha Kunda was situated there. Later, the pond was excavated by Lord Chaitanya's devotees, headed first by the 6 Goswamis such as Rupa and Raghunatha Dasa. Presently, there is a large lake known as Radha Kunda there. Srila Rupa Goswami has given much stress to Radha Kunda because of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's desire to find it. Who then would give up Radha Kunda and try to reside elsewhere? No person with transcendental intelligence would do so. The importance of Radha Kunda, however, cannot be realized by other Vaishnava Sampradayas, nor can persons uninterested in the devotional service of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu understand the spiritual importance and divine nature of Radha Kunda. Thus, Radha Kunda is mainly worshipped by the Gaudiya Vaishnavas, the followers of Lord Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Hare Krishna.